Hello everyone. In this lesson, we'll learn about the variance feature in charts. Variance allows us to analyze the differences between various measures. It can also be used to analyze differences between different versions. Additionally, it can analyze differences between time periods within the same dataset. A common use is to calculate year-over-year or period-over-period growth for our data. Let's see how to use it in the system. Here we have a bar chart. Our goal is to view the month-over-month variance data for this chart. Let's see how to use the variance component to do this. Let's click the chart to open the panel on the right. Then, under the chart options, you'll find variance. Let's click on it. This will open the variance settings interface. Here, you will see options for A and B. The variance amount is calculated as a minus B. In this case, we want it to be the current month's value. B will be the previous month's value. This way, a minus B gives us the month-over-month variance. For A, let's first select our measure. Then, for the time dimension, we'll choose current for the current period's value. Now for B, we also select our revenue measure. And for its time dimension, select previous. So to recap, as our sales revenue for the current month. And our comparison value, B, is the revenue from the previous month. The difference between them is our month-over-month variance. For year-over-year, you would simply select the previous year. Okay, you can see a new chart has appeared above the original one. In this new chart, each bar represents the variance. For example, February's value is higher than January's. It's higher by 23,194, so it's shown as a positive green bar. In contrast, March is lower than February by over 49,000. So, it's shown as a downward pointing red bar. We can also adjust the formatting options. For instance, let's have it display a percentage instead. At the same time, let's change the style to label. Okay, now we can see the result. The month-over-month percentage is now shown as a text label. It's placed directly above each bar of the chart. You can see the month-over-month percentage for each period. For example, this month shows a 20% increase. The next one shows a 35% decrease. Over here, you can also specify different colors. By default, positive values are green. Negative values are red by default. Zero values are green by default. You can customize these display colors to suit your needs. Let's save our changes and view the result. And so, we very simply use the variance component to quickly calculate the month-over-month variance in our chart. That's all for this lesson. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.